Guys, have you ever wondered how to make shopping a lot less painful? Stick around, I'll show you my 5 tips to make that happen after the video. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Before the intro, I said that I've got 5 ways to make your shopping experience a lot less stressful. Before I start though, let me just explain why I think that it's a stressful experience. Most men, and I think I'm fair in saying that, and I'm not trying to be sexist at all, do not enjoy the shopping experience. I am the exception to the rule. I enjoy a good day out shopping. However, a lot of men, especially men that don't really take that much interest in how they look, don't like it. You've only got to go to any shopping centre to see a myriad of men shuffling along behind their girlfriends or wives, looking glum and wishing they were somewhere else, maybe down the pub or whatever, but they really don't enjoy shopping. And the reason for that is, guys, is they're not focused, or they've been dragged along by their other half. But let's just assume that you've gone shopping because you think, well, I need to pick up a few items, but I don't really know where to look. That in itself is going to be a stressful experience. So here's my 5 tips to make shopping a lot easier for you. The first tip is to know what your wardrobe should consist of. Are you living in the city and you need a more smart casual wardrobe for your dress down Friday? And obviously if you go to work wearing suits, you need to know what sort of attire you're going to need at business meetings, etc. to make yourself look your best. Do you dress down a lot? Are you more a skater boy? Do you wear more casual clothes? Basically, identify the sort of wardrobe that you need. Tip number 2 is to know exactly what item you're going shopping for. Are you in need of an item specifically that you haven't got that's lacking, or have you worn an old item out and you need to replace it? Maybe try to add a few more colours in. Identify exactly what you're going shopping for. And the reason for this is when you get into the shopping centre, you're going to be looking at shops only that stock those items. You're not going to be completely overwhelmed by lots of different shops and things. You're going to know exactly where you're going to be looking, and you can spend your time in there looking for that perfect item. Number 3, don't be distracted by other things. Shopping centres are not obviously just full of clothing shops. You've got technology shops, you've got coffee shops, you've got stationery shops, you've got all manner of different shops. Now it's quite easy to get sucked into going into one shop after another, after another. What this does is it completely muddles what you've gone in there for, and you may end up spending money on something you didn't go in for and not having enough left for the item you've gone in for. Stay focused, guys. Okay, the main reason for that is, again, it's going to reduce stress. You're going to know what you're going in for. You're going to find that item, and hopefully you're going to make that purchase that you need. So you're going to go out feeling a lot better and a lot less stress. And then you've got time to go and have a look around to some other shops, have a coffee, relax, enjoy the whole experience. Number 4, my 4th reason is basically don't walk out of a shop, okay, with an item without trying it on. The reason for this is, it's been stressful enough possibly for you to find the item in the first place. The last thing you want to do is to buy it without trying it on, walk home, get it out, try it on, and you don't like it anymore. I.e. the fit isn't how it felt in the shop, and that's probably because you've got a lot going on around you. You just want to get out because a lot of people, as I said before, are not a fan of shopping. They'll get home, they'll try it on, it won't fit, they're not happy with it. They either wear a shirt because they can't be bothered to take it back that doesn't fit right and therefore doesn't show off their best features, or they have to have the hassle of then jumping back in the car, getting back on the bus, walking into town, whatever it is, to replace the item. Make sure you try it on. That extra couple of minutes spent trying it on is going to pay dividends in the end, guys, because you're not going to have to return it, and you're going to walk out having spent your hard-earned cash on something that you really like. And my 5th and final thing, guys, is try and embrace the wonder of online shopping. I absolutely love online shopping, and in fact most of my shopping is done online. Even if I go to a shopping centre with an idea in mind using the previous 4 tips, I may well still, whilst I'm out and about, fire up the Amazon app or whatever else on Google and try and find the item cheaper. And if you've got a web browser, guys, and download Honey, okay, which is you've probably heard of this before, but if not, I'll link to it in the description. Honey is a web-based browser add-on, and I've got it on my Chromebook, which will find a voucher online if there's one available and add it automatically to your checkout. So say for instance you're on Levi's, you find an item that you want and you've got the add-on, the Honey add-on on your browser. You put an item into your basket, and what that browser add-on will do is search the internet, and whilst you're going through the checkout process, to automatically find and apply the cheapest possible online price to your basket. And you can save yourself a fortune, guys. Seriously, it really does work. Like I said, I'll put a link to the Honey website in the description below. All you need to do is click on it and try it out for yourself. But online shopping makes things so much easier. No more trawling through shops. And as I said, if you are going to go out to shops, at least you can have a look around, find the item you want, try it on, and then try and look whilst you're having a coffee, go onto the app, have a look online, see if you can find that item cheaper somewhere else, because you'll know that you like the style, you'll know that it fits, and you'll know that you'll be saving money. So everyone's a winner. Online shopping is absolutely fantastic. Even if you can't be bothered to go into shops and have a look around for yourself, just go online, find what you want. If you go to tailorstore.com, there's another brilliant site, and that will allow you to put in your exact measurements, and it will tailor a shirt to your exact specifications. So you know when you get that shirt, it is going to fit like a glove. Tailor Store even do a free returns, and they will remake your item if it doesn't fit you. Now, you can't get much better than that, can you? How stress-free is that? So guys, in fact, I'm going to put the link to the Tailor Store in the description as well. So I'm going to put the Honey add-on link and the Tailor Store link in my description below. But online shopping, guys, embrace it. It is absolutely amazing. It's changed the way I shop. It's so easy, and a lot of shops even give you free returns. So you really have got no reason to try it out. There is no reason, guys, to be scared of shopping in the 21st century. Excuse me, enjoy it and embrace it. It's absolutely wonderful. Guys, that's my 5 tips to make shopping a lot less stressful for you. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, leave a comment in the section below. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.